How to fix TikTok messages not working. So if you're facing a problem with TikTok messages, so let me tell you one thing, that if you're not the age of above 16 on your TikTok application, then you won't have an option of messaging someone. So if you want to message someone, then you need to be above the age of 16. And if you're above the age of 16, then you can message someone. But if that's not the case, then you can remove that, and then you can go for settings and go for apps and notifications, and see all apps and open up your TikTok application. And after opening your TikTok, now you can go for storage and cache. And after opening that, go for clear cache, which is on the right side. And after clearing your cache, your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can open up your Play Store and then go for the search bar and search for TikTok. And after searching, if you have an update option instead of this open option, then simply tap on update, and you need to update your TikTok application. And after updating, your problem might be fixed. So that's it. These were the few fixes, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.